Hi, welcome to Bouncify. In this video, we will guide you on how to verify emails using your Bouncify API key. Let's get started. First, let's log into our Bouncify app and navigate to the API page. Once on the API page, we will generate an API key. To generate an API key, simply click on the New API Key button and provide a name for your API key. Now your API key is generated. Let's now check how to use this API key for verification. Let's start by opening the API docs. This section lays out the API usage details. Let's look into single validation. Using the single validation API endpoint, you can verify a single email per request. We've got you covered with sample codes in all the prominent coding languages. Single Email Verification API can be used to validate single email address in real time. Validate email within your application. Validate email addresses during e-commerce checkout and login process. Collect valid emails via sign-up, lead generation, and online survey. And avoid email typos. But what if you have a bunch of emails to verify? That's where our bulk validation API comes in. We provide sample codes for uploading, verifying, checking job status, downloading, and even deleting a list. Bulk Email Verification API can be used to validate multiple email addresses in real time, validate emails within your application, automate email verification workflow, tailor the validation process according to their specific needs, and integrate directly into your existing workflows. We have also provided sample code to check your credit balance. Explore API docs and elevate your email verification game with Bouncify, where email verification meets innovation. Thank you for watching.